Hi, welcome to Cooking Spot. Today we will be making a simple and delicious vegetable soup. Let's get started. To begin, gather the following ingredients: pumpkin, cabbage, potato, green beans, garlic, curry leaves, tomato and carrot. Additionally, you will need salt, cumin seeds, pepper, coriander seeds or powder, and dal. That's all you need for this recipe. First, grab a pan and add water to it. Place it on the stove and add all the chopped vegetables: pumpkin, cabbage, potato, green beans, garlic, curry leaves, tomato, and carrot. Next, sprinkle in the salt, cumin seeds, pepper, coriander seeds or powder, and the dal. Allow the mixture to boil until the vegetables are cooked. Once the vegetables are boiled to perfection, it's time to blend them. Take the boiled vegetables and blend them until you achieve a smooth consistency. There you have it, a delicious vegetable soup. Give it a try and enjoy this delightful dish. Thank you for joining us at Cooking Spot. Stay tuned for more tasty recipes.